Welcome back to Annunaki Knowledge Hub, the place where ancient mysteries meet the frontiers of science and technology. Today, we are diving into one of the most urgent and mind-bending topics of our time: the global race to build artificial general intelligence. From billion-dollar AI factories and secretive government summits to the echoes of ancient myths, we'll explore whether humanity is on the verge of creating a new kind of God, one born not in the heavens, but in our own machines. Are we repeating the age-old story of the Anunnaki, or writing an entirely new chapter for our species? Once, humanity bowed to the sky gods, those mysterious beings the ancients called the Anunnaki. Let's find out. Today, we kneel before a new kind of power, not forged in stone, but in silicon. Is history repeating itself? As the world races to create superintelligent AI, are we summoning modern gods to rule us once more? All across the globe, nations are accelerating their push towards artificial general intelligence, AI with the power to match or even surpass the human mind. In Paris, France, and India pledge billions to build the backbone of tomorrow's thinking machines. The European Union launches a $200 billion initiative, AI gigafactories rise in Norway, and America's tech giants form alliances worth hundreds of billions. China pushes its own vision, unveiling the Global AI Governance Action Plan at Shanghai's World AI Conference. The United States, meanwhile, carves its own path, pouring resources into flexible growth and less regulation. Once, the Tower of Babel reached for the heavens, seeking to unite or challenge the gods. Today, every continent builds its own tower. Data centers, AI gigafactories, and Stargate supercomputing projects that dwarf anything in ancient myth. But will these titanic constructs bring us together, or spark a new age of rivalry, confusion, and division? For some, AGI is the final leap, a Promethean fire that could uplift humanity. For others, it's a Pandora's box, a force we might not be able to control, set loose upon a world already teetering. Experts warn that AGI could arrive as soon as 2027. What happens if these thinking machines start making decisions for entire societies? Can we guarantee they'll share our values? Or will they act like the inscrutable gods of old, beyond our understanding, beyond our control? Across summits from Paris to Singapore, leaders argue. Should we slow down and focus on safety, or push forward at all costs to avoid falling behind? Some propose a global AGI agency, others want international safety treaties. But as nations jostle for power, will cooperation be possible, or will rivalry rule the day? Even nuclear security is now at stake, with AI-guided systems on the table. The risks are real, and the consequences could be irreversible. History whispers warnings. Did ancient myths arise from encounters with advanced beings, real or imagined, who shaped the fate of early humanity? Are we, in building AGI, repeating the same story with new actors, summoning a power we hope will guide us, but might one day rule us instead? The parallels are haunting. Once, gods watched from above. Now, AI watches us from everywhere. If we succeed, could AGI solve humanity's greatest problems as benevolent guides? Or will these gods become our greatest threat, unknowable, unstoppable, indifferent to human needs? The choice is not just technological, but philosophical. Do we create tools to serve us, or rulers to command us? Will the world of tomorrow be a utopia, or a high-tech echo of ancient tyranny? The ancient stories are alive again, retold in data, silicon, and code. This time, humanity writes the ending. What will we choose? Subscribe for more mysteries of history, science, and the unknown. Let us know in the comments, are we building the next gods or our own undoing?